This is Clearum.
Yes, hi, how are you?
He has convinced me to buy a show ticket. Come to Vienna.
Yes, you should come again.
It's quite lovely. And we have arrived to Vienna, Austria. Okay, this is definitely the biggest room I've ever seen in Europe. I don't like that. This is probably the biggest. Oh, because it's a suite. Hey. Some more windows. Bathroom. Okay. This will be fine for 2 nights. Good morning. So we're getting our day started. Walking to the tram station in Wayne. I think it's called Wayne. So let's see what Vienna has to offer.
Alright guys, it's your girl Elle just living, and the first thing we're going to do in Austria is sightsee, of course. You got to take in a little bit of that culture, and of course, we're in Europe, so we got to find the nearest castle. Check it out.
I'm getting fatter every day. Alright, so this place is definitely relaxing. Check this out. Definitely entertaining. Woo! I swear, on this side of Europe, they have the most weed. Is that a weed plant? It's a weed. Weed gin. Lord, they got cocaine vodka. That's it. I think this is where wieners come from. So this is going to be lunch today. Exactly, born and raised in Mississippi.
Mississippi, okay.
But then I relocated to Atlanta.
Okay.
Are you familiar with either?
No, but my brother lives in New York.
Ah.
I've been last year there, New York and Miami.
Oh, cool.
Nice
So it's Miami's in Florida, and right above Florida, well, right above part of Florida is Georgia.
Okay.
And that's where Atlanta is.
Okay.
Yeah. Then 2 states over is Mississippi.
Okay. You have nice beaches like in Miami?
Not like Miami,
Not Miami.
but Miami doesn't have the best beaches.
You think so?
I know so. I've been a lot of places. Miami is not in the top. You have to go to the Caribbean islands.
Oh, Caribbean is perfect.
Yeah, the Bahamas, Jamaica, Grand Turks.
Oh, la, la, that's it. Beautiful, amazing. Let's go.
You're fun. What's your name?
Clearim. Clearim is my name.
Clearim. Clearim.
Yeah.
Nice. And are you really a ballerina?
No, I'm not a ballerina. I'm a ballet dancer.
I forgot your name. Just said Clearim.
Clearim, yeah?
Clearim. This is Clearim.
Yes, hi, how are you?
He has convinced
Come
me to
to
buy a
Vienna.
show ticket. Come to Vienna.
Yes, you should come again.
It's quite lovely. Oh, I should come again?
Invite all friends, come here, watch the show, beautiful show, ballet, waltz, dance, opera.
Yeah, he's not a
You're
ballerina.
welcome. Yeah. No, I'm a ballet dancer.
He's a ballet dancer. Ballerinas are girls.
Exactly, yeah? Alright.
So I hope it's a good show.
It's a beautiful show. After show, you should come to me to bring a Sacher cake. It's a beautiful cake from Vienna.
And where will you be?
I will be around here.
Okay.
Yeah. You can come tomorrow. I will be here. Okay, it's done, yeah?
You'll be here tomorrow too?
Yes.
Same time, same place?
Time, same place, same show.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. This is your card? Okay.
Love and marriage, horse and carriage. You know, if I was here with, even by myself, I would still do that, but I just don't feel like it today. This looks a lot like the one in the demo thing in Milan. Huge. Not as pretty as the one in Milan though. Doing all that talking with that guy, and now I'm running late for my chocolate appointment. Getting ready to go make some chocolate bars and chocolate at the chocolate museum. This should be fun, so let's hurry up.
Okay, so I finally made it to the chocolate factory, which is located in the middle of this amusement park. And I know there would be a lot of kids in here making chocolate, but aren't we all just big kids at heart? I think they started without me. How cool is that?
Hi. Chocolate making? Yes. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Yep. All right. Oh. Okay. We're getting ready to make hot chocolate. Hey y'all,
So it's time to take a bite out of my chocolate that I made. Well, this is one. I did two different types. On this side, I have the granola. You know why it's not? Anyways, this side I have the granola and hazelnuts. And on this side, I have white chocolate chips and chocolate covered raisins. Made by me. L Chocolates. Okay, so I'm gonna take a bite out of this side first. And it has, I'm gonna bite this side first. Too much going on. You know what I should have done? I should have put this inside the chocolate. This chocolate, not cavities, okay? Okay. There's a whole lot of chocolate going on this side. So let's try this out with granola and hazelnuts. Oh, I also have coconut on this side right here. Coconut. Something's not mixing well. I should have dipped the hazelnut inside the chocolate. It would have been better if it was like chocolate covered hazelnuts. That's what I'm getting. Whatever. But it was a cool experience. Maybe my other two bars will be cool. I did 2 milk chocolate and 1 dark chocolate, so we'll see. So this isn't exactly what I was expecting, but we'll make the best of it. Now that the show is over, we're going to grab a quick bite to eat. I'm not really hungry, so I'm just going to grab a salad and something local and a little something to drink. Tomorrow, we are off to Budapest.